Welcome to Anchor Cars Tadley. Here you will see in this video our 2018 Volkswagen Polo Beats Edition. This car is finished in a light grey colour with alloy wheels and is in lovely condition for age and mileage. On the interior of the vehicle, you can see that it has the red accents along with an automatic gearbox. This vehicle does have the new infotainment system that Volkswagen have, and the vehicle is in lovely condition inside and out. If you're interested in this car, please do give us a call.